In this video, you will learn when you should put ads to your videos on YouTube. So let's start. First, let's just find some video which is like 10 minutes long, Reddit. And I'm going to open it, this one here. It's 17 minutes, so we can easily add ads there. So editor and also analytics. So as you can see, I have already ads in my video. And what is the rule of thumb or how you should put ads? Like the ads shows only after 3 minutes. So if you put like ad here and here, it doesn't make any sense because the first advertisement was played in the beginning of the video. So the next one can be played after 3 minutes. But it's really important. If you're gonna put ads right after 3 minutes, people can leave. This is really important. This is why you need to watch time and audience retention when people are leaving, right? So that's why it's important. Now, what you want to do also is don't put too many ads to your video. The rule is when you're gonna have 10 minutes video, put like 1-2 ads here, and after video 1 ad. That's like good. Then if you have 20 minutes video, put like 5 ads, 4 ads there. That's also really cool. So that's probably it. What I really recommend, go with the overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads. All of them are good, I think. And that's what I do. And I have like good revenue from YouTube. So also, the last tip I have for you, always put ads to the quiet times. When there is a constant action going on, don't put ad there because people will leave and people will be like, oh my god, there is an action right now and you show me an ad. Why would you do that? So when I see here, for example, that I don't talk, I can play ad here, right? So that's also really good idea. And this is it. So this is when you should put ads to your videos in YouTube. Thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.